Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're about to add page numbers. Start by opening the document and saving a copy so you can revert. Next, go to Insert and choose Page Number. Select Top, Bottom, or Margin to set the location. If you want a custom look, pick a built-in style or click Edit Header to insert the page number field manually. Once that's in, make sure numbers appear on all pages. This simple first step establishes the numbering container you'll refine next. Now refine how numbers behave. Open header or footer and format font, alignment, and style for consistency. To have different numbering schemes, insert section breaks where the pattern changes. Typically use next page breaks. Then, with the cursor in the new section's header, choose page number right arrow format page numbers and either continue from previous section or start at a specific number. This lets you switch from Roman to Arabic numerals, restart numbering, or skip numbering on title pages so your layout matches the document structure. Finish by reviewing each section. Update fields with Control plus a then F9 and close header/footer to inspect page flow. If you need to remove numbering, go to header/footer right arrow page number right arrow remove or delete just the page number field on selected pages. Make sure sections are unlinked when you want different numbering. Toggle link to previous off. If numbering still looks wrong, check your section breaks and the start at value. Correcting those two items fixes most issues quickly, so you won't be stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.